Right, hi everybody. Here, as we can see, is my last blog. Now it's 13 days ago, and it's earned £1.63 or $1.63. It's got 3 comments, or three. It's had 3 votes, and there's 1 comment. And yeah, why haven't I been on? Been busy working with a new, well, it's not new, but I've been working with LIBRY, which is a new video channel that pays Bitcoin in a roundabout way, but pays quite a lot of Bitcoin in a roundabout way. And so not for a long time I haven't seen any income on any of my posts, and the reason being, I've gone up to 4. I was 2 here at this point, reputation of 4. Right now, I used to have a reputation of 27, I think it got up to, and then 2 people did not like the post I done, and they downvoted me, and I went from this 4 here down to 2, and I couldn't put this logo page up, so I had to, what I had to do was right click on one that showed in one of my previous postage, click copy image address. Right, that would copy it to my thing, and now down here from this post, this is 12 days old, so don't go upvoting it now, this one's too old. This post, you can go and have a read and click the links and everything, but it was to tell you about my new LIBRY channel. Go and have a look, maybe join LIBRY with me and get paid per blog, per post, per whatever. But Arcange left me a message. Congratulations at Super Granddad. Your post was mentioned in the Steam Hit Parade for newcomers in the following category: pending, ranked number 8 with $1.68. Now it says newcomer. Now let me just click back to where I was on my home page, and my Steam rating, that's nice to see it's gone up by 2, but it's for newcomers. Well, as you can see, I'm not a newcomer. Active 9 days ago. What is going on here? I joined in 2017. Active 9 days ago is when I was last active. That's fair enough. That's the last time I put a post up, so it's 9 days. Oh, I thought it was a couple of weeks, and yet it says 13 days down here, 12 days, and up here 9 days. So that I must have come on and had a look at something or done something. But it says the last time I was on my channel and was 9 days ago. But as you can see, I've just re-steamed Hit Parade, this one. You can come and have a look at it, but because this is 12 days old, there's no point in voting on it, because you only get, that page only gets paid out after the first 7 days. So after 7 days you can't earn any more from somebody giving you an upvote. That's just one of the facts of Steemit, which is a good fact, because otherwise if you kept earning on that, Steam Pot would run out. So remember this, you've got to be voted on within the first 7 days for you to be able to collect it. After that you can come back on like I am. It says 13 days ago. You come back on and you click on your wallet, and there, yeah, it's there, it's ready to go in. It says pending, and I've clicked yeah, I'll accept it, but we'll wait and see what happens. They got 23 cents, wasn't it, you know, and they got 62, it says 62 comments, but when you click on Daily Hit Parade, oh, that's Arcange or Arcange, don't know how he wants that pronounced. It says click on and follow. How did I get this? All you do is you come down to his name at the bottom of the post, right, Arcange, one left click, and you can click his follow button. Well, I haven't followed yet, and the reason I haven't followed is because, what one's that? Oh no, wrong one. The reason I haven't followed yet is because I haven't checked to see if he's following me. And how do I do that? There's my people I'm following, and if he's following me, he'll be in my followers list. So I can click my followers list, and he should be here somewhere. And how's it spelling his name? Let's go back to Daily Hit there. Arcange. Let's go back to there. Well, there's me A's, and instantly, I thought this was alphabetical. Let's have a look down here. See, as you can see, I've got all these follows, but got to try and find him if he's in here. And let's have a look in the next page. No, I can't see Arcange. But as you can see, I'm not following a lot of people here. And he's not in my following. Let's have a look at following. And this should be alphabetical, or it should be. No, it's gone. It used to be alphabetical. Go back to the first one, previous. There's Fengen. That's the last person I followed, I know for a fact. And as you can see, Arcange is not in here. It used to be alphabetical, but it's gone from being alphabetical. Oh, that's a big that's a big letdown. It used to be alphabetical. I'll click that, come on. Yeah, it used to be. Oh no, that's more like it. Let's see if we can make this one go alphabetical. Followers. Now, I'm trying to see if he's following me. And it's very awkward to find out if somebody's trying to... Let's go to previous. It used to be alphabetical, but right, that's as far back as we can go. If you see your name on there and I'm not following you, if you see follow and I'm not, and it doesn't say unfollow, that means I'm not following you. So I don't see Arcange following me. So that's why I'm not going to click his follow button, because I want him to follow me first, and maybe that's wrong, maybe it's right. If you don't agree, just let me know. But the next thing I'm gonna do is go back to here. I'll just get rid of this for a minute, delete that, and remember I took a copy of my Super Grandad. I'll click on my blogs, but I can't find him following me, so why should I follow him? Right, what was I doing? Oh yeah, open that up, right click on here, copy image address, because I can't post a vote, or I couldn't post a new picture. Let's go to Hit Parade, and I've already clicked on Resteam. I've resteamed his post, and I've clicked reply because I want to leave him a reply. But my way of doing it is now I'm hitting Control and V, and my picture is now going to be, go away, my picture is now there, my logo picture, whatever you want to call it, is there. That's the only way I can get my picture on, because I've got such a low score, because somebody downvoted it, and this will probably, this video will probably get me a downvote. Somebody won't like it, saying you're not supposed to tell them the bad things about this, about Steemit. Well, until we put them right, they're bad. We've got to put, and the Steemit community's got to put it right. And that's what my video's all about. Hi, oh, left the caps lock on. Hi. I've forgotten how to spell his name. I can't spell it. Click on there. Go over here. This is what I do. Copy. Back to here. V. From. And I want my Super Grandad. I can't remember whether I do it as, oh there you go, oh it's blinking mouse, right, go back to my blog page, Right. So my Steam power, or my voting power, reputation score has gone up 2 points. Well, and if that's because of the daily hit parade, thank you. But it says daily hit for newcomers, but I've been on Steemit since 2017. So do I still apply? You know, or is it just that posts on newcomer 2017 and we're in 2020? You know, March 2020, March the 27th, nearly April 2020. So okay. And just thought I'd make that shown in this video. I wanted that, didn't I? Where is it? There. I don't want my full address. What I'm doing is I'm grabbing my name because I'm too lazy to type and I can't remember. That's Control and C to copy it, and we can now go and put it into this Control and V and put it in there. Now ATCH WATCH my VIDEO reply to you, not I, you. Watch my video, reply to you. And basically that's what I'm going to do. I'll put a bit more of text in there, but there's nothing really more to say. You can see what I'll do. So I'll pause the video there and then I'll come back when I've typed up what I'm going to say. But as you can see, it pops up underneath. Watch me video reply to you. My. That's not me, it should be my. I do suffer with dyslexia, and I don't see these until sometimes until after I've posted it, and oh no, that's watch me video. Oh dear. Watch my video, reply to you. The link was underneath. The link is UND. Click the link. Click the YOUTUBE. There's double T in there. YouTube. Click the YouTube. Click the video below you. Well, it's not there at the moment because I'm making the video right now as we talk. So, but that's what I do. That's what I'm gonna do. Watch my video, reply to you. The YouTube video below. Yeah, that'll do. Anyway, I'm going to pause the video and there you go.